Hi, good morning. Hello, welcome back. How are you today? Sut ydych chi heddiw? Well, dwi'n hapus heddiw. I'm happy today. Sut mae'r tywydd heddiw? How's the weather today? Mae'n gymylog eto. Mae'n gymylog, it's cloudy. Mae'n wyntog. It's windy again. Well, today I thought we'd sing Old MacDonald. And we'll sing about 4 different animals. Let's start with this one here. Do you know what animal that is? That's right, that's a horse. And what noise does a horse make? Meh. No. Yes. Neigh. Neigh. A horse makes a neigh sound. And then we'll sing about this animal. What animal's that? That's right, it's a sheep. And a sheep makes that sound. Meh. We have a horse and a sheep. And next we'll sing about this animal. What animal is that? Yeah, that's a pig. Can you make a pig sound? It's just fun to do. So we're going to say oink oink for the pig sound. And then the last animal is this one. Do you know what animal that is? Yes, it's a cow. Can you make a cow sound? Now I shouldn't make that sound too loud because this is a cow field and they might all come running to see which cow is new in the field. So are you ready? We'll sing the horse, the sheep, the pig and the cow. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a meh-meh here, a meh-meh there, here a meh, there a meh, everywhere a meh-meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here, an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now, we're going to sing Old MacDonald again, but this time we'll sing it in Welsh. So, here's our first animal, the horse. Do you know what horse is in Welsh? It's ceffyl. Ceffyl. And what colour is this horse? It's white. Do you remember what white is in Welsh? Gwyn. It's gwyn. So our first animal is a white horse, ceffyl gwyn, and still makes a neigh neigh sound. Now the next animal was sheep. Now what's sheep in Welsh? That's right, dafad. It's a dafad. And what colour is this sheep? It's not a white sheep. It's a bar black sheep. Do you remember what black is in Welsh? D. D. It's a dafad D, a black sheep. Ceffyl gwyn, dafad D. And now this animal, the pig, What was pig in Welsh? Mochyn. You say that. Mochyn. Now, what colour is this mochyn? It's pink. And in Welsh it sounds the same. Pink. Mochyn, pink. And this animal in Welsh makes this sound. Soch, soch. Can you do that sound? Soch, soch. And the last animal was this one. The cow. What's cow in Welsh? It's buwch. Can you say that? Buwch. And what colour is this cow? Brown. And it sounds nearly the same in Welsh. You've got to roll your R like a motorbike. Brown. Buwch brown. A brown cow. Now, the words are a little bit different in Welsh. Instead of saying Old MacDonald had a farm, we say come and take a walk to grandfather's farm. And in Welsh it sounds like this. Dewch am dro I fferm tad ci. Can you sing that one with me? Dewch am dro I fferm tad ci. Ia-ia-ho. And on that farm, ac ar y fferm mae. And then we'll say the name of the animal. So here we go, are you ready? Ceffyl gwyn, dafad du, mochyn pink, and buwch brown. Barod? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Dewch am dro I fferm tad ci, ia-ia-o, ac ar y fferm mae'n ceffyl gwyn, ia-ia-o, gyda neu yma, neu draw, neu ar bob llawr, dewch am dro I fferm tad ci, ia-ia-o, ac ar y fferm mae'n dafad du, ia-ia-o, gyda meme yma, meme draw, meme ar bob llawr, dewch am dro I fferm tad ci, ia-ia-o, ac ar y fferm mae'n mochyn pink, ia-ia-o, gyda soch yma, soch draw, soch ar bob llawr, dewch am dro I fferm tad ci, ia-ia-o, ac ar y fferm mae'n buwch brown, ia-ia-o, gyda mwmw yma, mwmw draw, mwmw ar bob llawr, dewch am dro I fferm tad ci, ia-ia-o. Da iawn, bendigedig. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's songs, Old MacDonald. I really enjoyed those. Can you think of any other animals that would be on the farm? Have a think and see if you know what they are in Welsh as well. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day today, and we'll sing some more songs. Bye bye, guys.